Modesty is more than the apparel that we wear. It's a lifestyle. This channel focuses on all things modesty, modest apparel, lifestyle, and travel. We are her rare image. We are humbled in our walk. We are elegant in our talk. We are radiant in how we present ourselves to others. We are what, ladies? Her rare image. Greetings and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the hottest fall fashions. Get ready to revamp your wardrobe with the stylish pieces that are perfect for this season. We are keeping this classy. We are keeping this elegant. We are keeping this modest. To all of my ladies who are looking to transition into more of a modest lifestyle, wearing modest apparel, this will be the time for you to go purchase some maxi skirts. Maxi skirts are a must-have for this fall. Not only are they comfortable to wear, but they also exude a level of elegance as well as versatility. You have your satin skirts. You have your linen skirts. You have your denim skirts. There are a variety of options that you can choose from. But keep in mind, with those maxi skirts, some do have splits in them. So you want to try to stay away from the maxi skirts that have the splits. So avoid at all costs. You want to keep it elegant, you want to keep it modest, but you still want to be fashionable. You can pair your maxi skirt with such a variety of tops and blouses, and also do like a nice cozy sweater as well. But you can also pair it with some ankle boots as well as some loafers for a chic daytime look. But if you're looking to dress it up, you can pair it with a nice tailored blazer with some modest heels, of course, for dinner out with your friends or your family. Let me show you my lookbook of how I styled my maxi skirts. The next must-have will be a long black trench coat. This coat is a timeless staple that never goes out of style. It adds instant sophistication to any outfit while keeping you warm through those chilly nights as well as those chilly days. Whether you are heading to the office or meeting up with your friends, a black long coat will elevate your look. We are in boot season, and I am here for it. I'm pulling out all my boots, but the ones in particular that I'm reaching for more this year are my metallic boots. Yes, they are a fantastic way to make a statement this fall. They add a touch of glamour, but a side of edginess to it. These boots are a game changer, especially when it comes to elevating your fall fashion. I will say if you're looking to get those metallic boots, but if you haven't decided on them yet, they are a must-have this fall. You're looking to make a statement, you're looking to add a pop of color, you're looking to be the center of attention for yourself. What are you waiting for in regards to getting those boots? You know you want to. Get ready to wear those denim skirts, those denim jackets, those denim clothing pieces this year. With denim, I would say they really have evolved over the years. I remember way back when we used to have to go to Wednesday night services and we used to have to put on a denim skirt. They wasn't flattering at all. As you know, I'm sure some of y'all can really think back to when you used to have to wear those denim skirts. So I will wear a denim skirt now or any denim accessories with it. It comes to a belt or a jacket or a denim dress without any problems this year. With denim, they're very versatile and they can add more style and it brings out more of your personality when you style it your way. Tailored blazers are the go-to piece to wear, especially if you was going to an interview, whether it was virtually or whether it was in person. You grab that blazer. If you had 5 minutes, especially if you was at home, you quickly searched and searched for your blazer until it was time to log on. But tailored blazers are the epitome of what sophistication and what polish look like. They instantly redefine, as we all know, any outfit, whether you are wearing a casual denim skirt with a nice blouse or shirt or a sleek dress. Invest in a well-tailored blazer as your go-to piece. You can transition the blazer from day to night, an easy transitional piece. I remember when I first started wearing blazers, I wasn't really big on the blazers, but when I started putting my style with wearing a blazer, oh, I am so in love. And there you have it, the top fall fashion must have. You can incorporate these styles into your wardrobe while being fashionable yet modest. I hope you enjoyed the segment for today. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I look forward to having you on this modesty journey with me. Peace be.